Hi, this is Mark, and I will be explaining how to figure out how much you will be paying interest or how much you will be paying extra when you convert a big purchase into installment. First start of the process is you make a purchase on your credit card. If you call before the purchase reflects on your credit card, bank or the credit card company will request to wait so that the big purchase is cleared and it really reflects on your credit card balance. So for example, if you buy something that is worth 30,000 pesos and you don't see that on your statement yet or in your phone app or during online banking, wait for it to show up. And of course, if it says pending, wait for it to clear that pending status. Once it really does show, the 30,000 should minus from your available balance that you see on the app or on online banking. Again, make the purchase first, and then once it shows up, you can now call the bank or credit card company to get it converted into installments. Whatever the phone number is for the bank or credit card company, go ahead and go through the phone tree and request that you want to convert the big purchase or purchase into installments, and then you should get a customer service rep from the company to help you with the calculation or how much for that. After you talk to the person, you say that, hey, I want this specific purchase to be converted into 2 installments. They may ask you details such as how much the purchase was for, on what date it was, where was it done, or what store. After you give them those details, they will make a calculation. They will also ask how many number of payments or how many months do you want to pay it for. So for example, you want to pay over an 18th month period. And in this example, it is a phone that was bought and it was worth 47,250. So I put that there. Also in terms of per payment, the customer rep will give you how much you will have to pay per month. Now, in this case, the customer rep said that it was 3,045.54 pesos per month. Now, actually, this payment per month already includes the interest, because if you divide the 47,250 divided by 18, you will get actually a smaller number than the 3,000. So this already includes the interest. Now, if you times 3,045.54 times 18, the total amount paid that you will be paying for the 18 months is 54,819.72, as you can see in the calculation. Now, if you just minus the total paid, the total amount that you will be paying versus the actual loan amount or the cost of the item, if you minus that, then you will be getting 7,569.72. So this is the total interest that you will be paying to the credit card company or to the bank because you took out a loan, and this is their kind of like service fee. If you divide this number, 7,569.72 divided by 18, you will see how much interest you will be paying per month, which is 420. With these two numbers, it helps to think about, is it worth to get a loan to pay for this, or possibly save up cash and be able to pay for it after you've saved up instead of taking out a loan. For this amount, for this period of time, you will be paying 7,569.72. Again, it will be different for everyone. You can input these numbers and do these simple calculations yourself and figure out how much you would owe in terms of interest. Say, for example, you do approve of it. You will have to get it approved. It'll approximately take 3 to 5 days for approval for the loan. If it does get approved, then the full amount, the 47,000, will be removed from the current billing cycle, and the 3,045 will start after a few days. So you will see that 3,000 be reflected instead of the 47,000. You can clarify what those days are. So for example, if it gets removed on this day, when will it start and when will you get your first payment? You can clarify that with the customer service rep, because it kind of depends in terms of like when it will hit your billing cycle, depending on when your billing cycle starts and ends. So you can clarify that with them to get more information. I did this table here. I put the 3,045.54 over 18 months. And you can see here from June 4th, say for example, of this year to November 4th of next year. As you can see, if you really want to have this payments every single month, that is up to you. But it does put things into perspective when you see it over a period of time. So this is the payment number. This is the running total. So for example, it's 3,045.54. By the second month, you will be paying the 6,091. At the end, you will be paying the full amount of 54,819.72. This column shows the remaining amount that you have. And for savings, this is if, for example, if you choose to pay the whole loan in that specific month. So for example, you pay 9,000 so far and you choose to pay 45K in month 3, you will actually be saving 6,308 in terms of interest payments. So again, this goes back to the interest per payment of 420 per month. So essentially it's just minusing 420 every single month to see how much you could save if you were to pay for the whole thing. So again, this also puts things into perspective. If you pay the loan earlier, then you could save more in the long run. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.